go to Hell in a Cell. Second step, you need to download Jeff Hardy to your roster. So last time I used Cope for this one. So it's gonna, oh no, the other controller. Not running the time. Start match. Then just gonna help with the cage. Running out of time.
And here he comes. Are you guys ready? It's the structure that's going to make the difference in this one, folks. These superstars can have all they want, but when you see that structure and the door slams behind you, I don't care who you are, you shudder inside. No argument there, Corey. That's why there have been so few.
They might have patched it. Hopefully they didn't. Yes, there it is. The burping surprise. He's burping. There you go, guys. Peace out.